taon pong 2024, ang SALN ni VP Duterte at ang kanyang asawa na si Attorney Manasseh Scarpio ay mayroon din pong business interest and financial connection sa mga sumusunod po na kumpanya. 1. Metro City Chow Foods Corporation. 2. GenCorp Industries Inc. 3. Carpio Lawyers. 4. 888 Bistro. 5. Cali 88 Foods Corporation. 6. Madayaw Fisheries Corporation. 7. Mati City Ice Plant and Cold Storage Inc. 8. Amyanan Shores Inc. 9. Geometry Security and Investigation Agency Inc. And 10. Cable Tow 88 Shipping and Marine Services Inc. Kinukupirma niyo po ba ito?
Your Honor, reading from the 2024 submitted SALN of the Vice President, we can confirm that those 10 business interests and financial connections that you have read were declared by the Vice President in her 2024 SALN.
Salamat po.
Madam Chair, I confirm that the Metro Chow Food, based on the 2024 financial statement, year ended December 31, has incurred 309,860 loss. Net loss po. Madam Chair, based po sa 2023 financial statement ng Cali 88 Foods Corporation, siya po ay merong net loss sa halagang 1,880,781.66. Madam Chair, based po sa 2023 financial statement of Mati City Ice Plant, mayroon po siyang net loss amounting 394,939 pesos. Ang amyanan po ay hindi pa nakapag-submit ng kanyang JS at ng kanyang financial statement.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Next would be Geometry Security and Investigation Agency Incorporated. Nakarehistro po ba ito at updated sa mga submissions?
Madam Chair, with respect to Geometry Security and Investigation Agency, meron po siyang GIS for the year 2024 and 2025. Meron po siyang financial statement for the year 2024.
Magkano po ba ang latest declared income ng Geometry Security and Investigation Agency?
Well, for the year 2024 po, ang Geometry Security and Investigation Agency po ay merong loss na 1,434,960.
For 2025, yun yung pinaka-latest yata.
Ang kanya pong loss for the year 2024 ay 4,851,490.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We'll move on to the last company that's declared by the Vice President, Cable Tow 88 Shipping and Marine Services. Active po ba ang SEC registration nito at kumpleto ang mga submissions?
Madam Chair, ito pong Cable Tow 88 Finance Shipping and Marine Services ay naregister lang po noong April 15, 2024. Ayon po sa aming record, wala pa po siyang naisubmite na JS at financial statement.
At wala ding audited financial statement. Ibig
Tama
sabihin
po.
walang
Wala
declared
po pong
income
report.
so far on record.
Wala po siyang report na nasubmit sa amin.
Thank you po, Madam Chair. May I end with a brief manifestation? Batay po sa paglilinaw ng ating kasamahan mula sa Securities and Exchange Commission na patunayan po natin na may mga kumpanya na hindi kompleto ang pag-submit o hindi nga updated ang pag-submit ng kanilang mga required documents, particular ang GIS at audited financial statements.